Hello, I'm with Dr. Arisa Ortiz, winner of the 2015 Doctor's Choice Awards in Dermatology for La Jolla. Dr. Arisa Ortiz, MD, is a board certified dermatologist and director of laser and cosmetic dermatology at UC San Diego Health. She specializes in the latest non-invasive procedures, including laser skin resurfacing, dermal filler and toxin injections, body contouring, skin tightening, and the treatment of scars. Dr. Ortiz completed a laser and cosmetic dermatology fellowship at Massachusetts General Hospital, Harvard Medical School, and Wellman Center for Photomedicine. Thank you, Doctor, for taking time from your busy schedule to do this recording with us. Let me start with my first question. Let me congratulate you, Dr. Ortiz, for winning the 2015 Doctor's Choice Awards in Dermatology for La Jolla. How excited are you, Doctor?
Yes, thank you very much. I'm very humbled to have received this award, and it is a great honor, so thank you very much.
What was your first thought on Doctor's Choice Awards, Doctor, and what drove you to partake in it?
Well, I think the Doctor's Choice Award is very special because it is really your colleagues that are honoring you with this award, and that means a lot to me because that's really the highest recognition. If your colleagues believe in you and can recommend you for this award, because they really have the most knowledge of what you do and what types of services you provide. And I think that that is one of the highest honors, and your patients will appreciate knowing that your colleagues also believe in your care. So that's why it was important for me to receive this award and what drew me to become involved.
Can you describe your experience and skills to us, Doctor?
So I did my residency at UC Irvine and Beckman Laser Institute, and I was really exposed to a lot of new cutting-edge laser procedures, and that got me interested in doing a fellowship. So I did my fellowship at Harvard Medical School in lasers and cosmetics with Rox Anderson and Matthew Avram. And after that, I decided I wanted to do an additional fellowship in Mohs micrographic surgery, and I did that at UC San Diego. And so my experience is mainly with laser and cosmetic procedures, and then I also perform Mohs micrographic surgery. So I'm able to offer my patients many different types of services. Anything from fractional resurfacing to skin non-invasive skin tightening, and all types of fillers and toxins, and it's a lot of fun for me to be able to be artistic with my patients, and then I also enjoy performing the skin cancer surgery, which of course is really rewarding when you can help patients with their skin cancers.
As to my understanding, Doctor, you are a board certified dermatologist, a professor, a speaker, and also have published numerous medical articles. How do you balance yourself between these roles, Doctor?
Well, balancing life and work is always a challenge. I try my best to be as efficient as possible, but you know, my passion is really my work, and so I enjoy what I do, so it never really feels like work, but I think it is important to make sure that you put time aside to spend with your family and your friends, and to kind of take a break and just relax. But it's always a challenge, something that I struggle with every day. I definitely put a lot of time and effort into my work and extracurricular activities with publications and speaking. But again, it never really feels like work because I just really enjoy what I'm doing.
Do you believe collaboration and networking among doctors through services and programs such as Doctor's Choice Awards play a significant role in the success of modern medical professionals?
I definitely think that these types of collaborations are important because it kind of validates the work that you do, not only among your colleagues, but among your patients. If they see that your colleagues truly believe in you enough to award you this honor, then your patients have more trust in you, and that's always important in the doctor-patient relationship. So I definitely value the Doctor's Choice Awards and consider it a great honor to have received this award.
What are the key challenges in the field of dermatology today? Any advice for new practitioners, doctor?
I think there's many different challenges in dermatology, and one of the main things that's an issue among the country is that there are a lot of non-trained, physicians and non-physicians that are practicing with lasers that are potentially causing some harm to their patients. I think sometimes people look at it as being lucrative, and so they want to, provide these services. However, they take weekend courses and then think that they are sufficient to provide adequate care. And so I often see many types of complications from many spas and, non-trained practitioners. So I think there is a challenge among dermatologists to educate patients that they need to seek out information about who's providing these treatments and make sure that they're going to someone who is properly trained. So I think that has been a big challenge recently. Some advice that I would have for someone who's just starting out is to find a mentor that you trust and someone that you can call on to for difficult situations or difficult patients that you need advice. And I think having a mentor that you trust is really important when you're starting out, because they can provide suggestions and advice regarding what services to provide, what devices to buy, how to run a practice, and I think that is very important. So I would say, establishing a mentor and someone that you can trust is really important when you're starting out.
So my last question to you is, Doctor, what plans do you have for your future?
Yeah, so moving forward, I would like to stay on the cutting edge of technologies and becoming more involved in research trials with new devices and new products that are coming onto the market, and really building up the center that I've started here at UC San Diego in lasers and cosmetic. And also to expand my family. I'm due in about a week, so I'll be taking care of a new little baby girl, and I will have to learn how to balance things even more.